welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy recipe. This is my style of making chili smoked sausage and kidney beans. These ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Alright, so right over here I have my pressure cooker, and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of kidney beans. I did wash and soak these kidney beans overnight. I'm going to add 2 cups of water, 1 vegetable cube, a piece of thyme, and feel free to use any type of onion of your choice. Place the cover on the pressure cooker and let this pressure for 20 minutes. Now that my piece is done, you can see how soft and nice it is. So over here I have a pan with hot oil over medium heat. Add 3 cloves of grated garlic. Add some celery, some carrots, and of course my smoked chili sausage is going to go right up in here. Add some diced tomatoes and cook for 3 minutes. And if you don't want anything too spicy, guys, you can leave out the Scotch bonnet pepper, alright? I use Scotch bonnet pepper, but I did remove the seeds. So you want this to cook for another 2 minutes, and here I'm going to add 2 more pieces of yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. I love the heat, guys. Saute this again for another minute or 2. Once this is done, I'm going to add the red kidney beans right up into this pot. Stir well, then I'm going to add my powdered seasoning, which is oregano, black pepper, dry thyme, paprika, some complete seasoning, vegetable cube, some onion and garlic powder, some ginger powder, and you want to saute this and let this cook for another 2 minutes. Add some chives, and here I go again with 2 little pieces of my Scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a nice little mix and let this simmer again for another minute. Alright? Serve with some white rice or use it as is. So here you have it, guys. My style of chili smoked sausage and kidney beans. So subscribe, leave me a comment, press that notification bell, give it a try, and enjoy. I will see you in my next video.